Hello students, while we study about the carbon and its compound in class 12th chapter 4th, then we find that carbon and its compound. कार्बन और उसके द्वारा बने हुए यौगिक। कार्बन, when we study about the periodic table, then we find that carbon is represented by symbol capital C. Symbol capital C. Carbon atomic number is 6. Atomic mass of capital C. Atomic mass equal to 12. When we study about the periodic table, then we find that carbon is the sixth element in periodic table. Carbon is the sixth element in periodic table. Carbon position, carbon atom in periodic table, period 2 and group 40. कार्बन का प्रतीक है कैपिटल सी। कार्बन का परमाणु संख्या 6। कार्बन एटॉमिक मास 12। कार्बन का एटॉमिक द्रव्यमान 12। जब हम पीरियोडिक टेबल की स्टडी करते हैं, मीन्स आवर सारणी की स्टडी करते हैं, तो उसमें कार्बन एटम 6th प्लेस पे आता है, 6 नंबर। While we detail about the detail study about the periodic table, जब हम विस्तृत अध्ययन करते हैं पीरियोडिक आवर्त सारणी की, तो हम पाते हैं कार्बन एटम का पोजीशन पीरियोडिक टेबल में पीरियड में ये सेकंड पोजीशन पे आता है, बट ग्रुप में ये 40 नंबर पे आता है। पीरियड में इन पीरियड 2 नंबर, ग्रुप 40। कार्बन atom is very important role in organic chemistry. Without carbon, no organic chemistry. Carbon atom shows the self-linking property, means that catenation property. For this reason, all the all the petroleum product is formed by the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is made by the carbonic compound. Carbonic compound is made by the carbon. Petroleum product is a large number of hydrocarbon. It's clear that when we study about the catenation property of carbon atom, when we study about the catenation property of carbon atom, when we find that catenation property of R is compound. Are self-linking property. Carbon atom is a very unique atom in the world, is self linked with each other as result to form the simple branch and ring like structure. Example that carbon shows the tetravalency. It means that plus 4 in number. Carbon shows the tetravalency. The term valency may be defined as outermost subshell of any electron is known as valency. किसी भी एटम के आउटर मोस्ट सबसेल में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होते हैं वही उसकी वैलेंसी होती है. When we study about the valency of the carbon atom, then we find that carbon shows the tetravalency, means that plus 4 in number. Carbon form the covalent molecule. It means that when we form the carbonic compound, then it shares the electron by sharing of electron. When we study about the covalent bonding, then we find that when the molecule is formed by the sharing of electron by the atom, that is called covalent bonding. Carbon atom are those atoms which is form the covalent compound. Covalent compound carbon form the 3 type of carbonic compound. Simple chain, means that simple chain carbon compound first. It means that खुली श्रृंखला वाले यौगिक. In simple chain carbonic compound, all the carbonic compound is a state having a chemical structure. The state chain suppose that carbon, 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 hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen. Two carbon or one single carbon. Single carbon is known as methane and double carbon is known as ethane. Or another compound is also formed C, C, C and C. Hydrogen atom link. When we the name of the organic compound, then count the number of carbon atom 2 into 4 and 5. This is known as pentane. This is a simple chain and open chain, and this is also known as simple chain. One term I am discussing about the homologous series. One term. सजातीय श्रेणी. Then we find that it is clear by the three compound. Ethane, when we saw the three organic compound, a simple chain organic compound, methane, ethane, and pentane have a one unique character. When we draw the then, if we clear that CH2 and CH2, CH2 and CH2, 3 carbon, 2, 3. It shows the homologous series. When we draw the more number of carbon atom, then we find that CH2, CH2 and CH2. This type of unit found in simple chain carbonic compound, carbonic chemical compound. This chain is known as homologous series. If we draw the any chemical compound, any organic chemical compound in different carbon number, the 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10, then we find that the middle structure just like this.